I redesigned the contents of my freezer. The main problem I had was that I wanted more meat in there. So I have been reducing the dairy also in my diet. Now I'm thinking that here I will have the lean cottage cheese, here I will have the fatter one. Now in terms of these glasses, previously I used these boxes in order to have them as meals on the go. I usually took 2 of them with me in a given day and then had dinner at home. In addition, I had usually a morning shake. Now, here, I think I will switch to only glasses. Now, I cannot take these with me because these are not fully waterproof, so they eventually, eventually something comes out. So this then lands in my rucksack. What I'm thinking is that I will have kind of a switching system. Now, if I don't have a microwave, so if I take one of these out, then I can take it into the freeze, from the freezer to the fridge, and then have it here, and maybe have 4 of these at any point in time. And if I find that I don't want to eat, let's say, pork and beef in a given day or in the next days, then I can just take it and put it back into here. Of course, this only works a certain duration of time because you cannot have beef infinitely cooked in the fridge, but this rotation would allow me to have a selection of multiple meals, so I can select the previous day from basically 16 different meals that I would have in here, and then I could go to my fridge and have them in there without the need to cook on a so every second day or every third day. So what I could do then is I could batch cooking again, so I could make multiple of these glasses. Let's say I make 8 of these, which would be about, let's say, 2 big pots. So I usually take a pot and then I cook basically lots of meat, and then I have these different kinds of meals. This also would allow me again to, first of all, have different options available, but also compared to the boxes. Now the boxes I had previously also up here, which was kind of not very easy to get to. In here I can kind of see what is in there. So here, for example, we have cottage cheese and tomato sauce, and I cannot really see the actual content. Sometimes you can see that there. So I would still experiment again with pasta, and also this is quite tight, so I cannot really get them out easily, but I didn't find out the solution. But in terms of the glasses, I can take them out because this is a drawer, and then I can just take a look at these and kind of just sample through them. So if there's a day where I need more potatoes and more pasta, even though I've been trying to reduce the pasta to basically 0 again, then I can just take them out and sample. So basically have this switch system with the fridge.